Hi guys! So today, we're unboxing our advent calendar, W Cosmetic, with my sister.
Woo!
Unbox natin.
Open. How do you open?
Ayan. What's this? W. Ayan, meron silang stickers. Yay,
Yay!
stickers! Let's open up! After, ano siya? Let's see if worth it yung price niya. $30. Sa mga makukuha natin. I think it's $30. I think so. Not sure. Uy! What happened, bro? No?
broke.
Gonna repair. Dahil nasira. Kuya, natanggal. Okay. Uy! Too much! Too much, bro. Okay. Okay, guys. So, we did some repairs. Okay. So, open na natin. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wow! Hey guys, so ganyan yung itsura niya. Andyan lahat. Okay, so let's start. Uy. Uy! Wow! Cleansing foam. Yan. Nice. It's 30 mils. Ay, Sin! Okay.
Brush.
Dun siya sa brush. They are
Fragrant, moist hand cream.
Oh, so hindi siya ano.
Hindi siya brush.
Hindi siya tugma.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So we got this. Yeah, fragrance moist hand cream. So hand cream siya. Nice. So, dito. Ito. Okay. Ayan. Aray ko. Ouch! Uy, blush. I need this. So I got the Judy Doll blush powder number 6. Ayan. Yay! Kailangan ko ng blush. Okay. Paano yan? Pwede, buksan mo na ganyan. Ano yan? What is this? Soothing ampule. Hindi ako gumagamit ng ganito. But, okay. Sabagay. We got this Sweet Ballet Light Lip Glaze.